Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue that Safari is unable to install a profile. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'd recommend first opening up Safari, and then I would select the item up at the top left that says Safari up in the menu bar, and then select Settings. Select the Profiles tab, and then any profiles you no longer need, I recommend just selecting the delete option for them, and then heading over to select extensions and recommend removing or deleting or at least disabling extensions you no longer need to see if that could be potentially causing part of our problem here. And then once you're done, close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer and hopefully your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.